Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am tackling this island bed that's right behind my fire pit. Get it planted for the summer season. Well, look at that. There is a bed in this chaos. So mowing just is the easiest way to deal with all this. Plus it allows for all that seed to get distributed back in. And now I'm just gonna come through and do some kind of hand weeding to pull out all the rough stuff that's in the corners that I couldn't get to with the lawnmower. And then I'll be ready to think about getting this replanted. I think I'm going to do this as a solid wall of sunflowers. All right, we enter in. Here's the bed I'm going to concentrate on. So you can see there's already arugula starting to germinate. It self-sows. So I was going to do buckwheat, but I'm not going to now. I'm just going to do sunflowers, giant sunflowers, and some tithonia, the Mexican sunflower, in this border. And I'm just let the arugula grow up. And then I think I'm going to do pots of tomatoes across here. And I'm going to do, I think, sweet potatoes along this outer edge and let them grow into this path to prevent more grass from germinating. So there's my plan. Now I have to put it into motion. I'm just going to plant two different types of sunflowers. I have Fun in the Sun blend, which grows 4 to 6 high, and Evening Sun mixed colors, which grows 6 to 7. So I'm going to concentrate this one more in the middle towards the back where the bananas are. And like I mentioned, it looks like I already am going to have a solid carpet of arugula just growing on its own, so I'm not going to disrupt that cycle. And I'm just going to be weary of the clumps of asparagus that exist because I know those will begin to re-sprout since I've mowed them down. And then I'm just going to give the whole area a good dusting of garden tone, get it mulched, and I can knock this one off of my to-do list. Well, as you can see, this bed is finished. It's fully planted, and now my job is to keep it watered for the rest of the summer so it will be a beautiful, dynamic display. Now, if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that bell notification so you'll know when I post more videos. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I look forward to sharing updates.